Okay, so student, this is the virtual poster. This is ready made, and you can edit this also like this. That if you want to write down title here, you can remove this word. You can write down your own words, introduction, and other things. You can put it here.
One sec, Father.
Yes, sir.
Uh, so, Ankita, can you tell me how many slides are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
5 slides. I find more.
1. Introduction.
So 10 slides.
13, no?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Sir, 30?
Shivani is telling 10. Shivani, how telling 10?
আমি ওই অ্যাশ কালারের যেগুলো আছে ওগুলোকে ধরিনি, জাস্ট বোল্ড করা যেগুলো সেগুলোকে ধরে 10 করেছি। যদি ওগুলোকে কাউন্ট করে দেন ইটস 13 স্যার।
13, total 13. Okay. Now, here you can find out that is the first slide is related to the introduction. Second slide is the materials and methods. And third one also, third, fourth, and fifth. These are all related to the materials and methods. And there is one slide that is the summary. Other slides are mainly the results. Okay. And you will find the different bar chart is here. And the bar chart is also interpreted in the box. Clear? And also you will find another results. So many results you will get. Next is the conclusion. What happened? Oh God.
Sir, I guess কারো mic on আছে।
Okay. So I have closed the mic. Now you will find that there are some data visualizations. Data visualization means basically there are some graphs. And the graphs are also interpreted in the box. So this is called the academic poster. And in one poster, you will find all the necessary things, specifically the introduction, materials and methods. So this method part is over. What is missing is the literature review. So if you are interested, you can make one short uh, slide for the literature review. If you think you can add it. And this is the conclusion, future direction, and the acknowledgements. Another thing is missing here, that is the references. Okay, so if you think that is, you do not want to show the references, okay, you may omit references, but if you are interested, then you can show. But keep in mind that is, what is your objective? That should be easily clarified, and it will be the self-explanatory. For example, suppose there is a poster, it is your academic poster, and you are not in front of the poster. So if anyone is interested to read your poster, that person can read your poster and can understand what is your intention to present. So this is called the e-poster or virtual poster. Now the virtual poster you can present through the PowerPoint or by the Canva. As you like, PowerPoint is better. If you can use the PowerPoint, that is more convenient. And when you want to present your research paper in the international conference, usually there is one session that is the poster session. And in the poster session, you can present your poster.
স্যার একটা কথা জিজ্ঞেস করছি, আমরা তো যদি মিক্সড মেথড ইউজ করি তাহলে কি তখন পোস্টার ইউজ করা কি কনভিনিয়েন্ট হবে?
কি বলছো?
মানে
নেক্সট,
বোথ কোয়ালিটেটিভ এন্ড কোয়ান্টিটেটিভ যদি আমরা কোনো পেপারে ইউজ করে থাকি,
হ্যাঁ,
তখন তাহলে অত বড় জিনিসটাকে পোস্টারে অ্যাকোমোডেট করবো কিভাবে?
ছোট
মানে
ছোট
তখন
করে লিখে টু দি
ওকে,
পয়েন্টে লিখতে হবে। কোয়ালিটেটিভ হলেও পোস্টারে করা যায়।
আচ্ছা,
অ্যারো দিয়ে দিয়ে তুমি করতেই পারো। তুমি সেখানে ফিগার, নিজের ছবি এঁকে দিতে পারো। ছবি আঁকা যায়,
ওকে স্যার।
that is possible. So qualitative paper also can be presented through the academic poster. This is the academic poster. This is not the business poster. In the poster session, you may find some of the people, they are presenting business poster because they are interested to promote their product. Therefore, they are presenting the business poster. But your presentation will be academic poster. Is it clear now, or any question? If you have any other question, please you ask me. Now, our intention is to organize one poster competition. That is the virtual poster competition. So I am requesting Farah to introduce our plan of virtual poster presentation.
Sure, sir. So give me a minute.
Our institute always encourages development of different research skills within you. Yeah, it is online virtual poster competition on Rabindric values, organized by Rabindric Psychotherapy Research Institute Trust. Farah, you can write down RPRIT in bracket.
Yes, sir.
Registered Academic Trust by Indian Trust Act 1882.
Okay, sir.
Registration number is
Yes,
there.
sir. I will edit it, sir.
Rules. Maximum 2 participants are allowed per poster. So if you think that is, you will be the co-author, so you can be the co-author with your professor. So 2 participants can join. Minimum time of 7 minutes will be given per team to elaborate e-poster. So you will get the 7 minutes time for presentation of your poster. Title of poster should convey basic theme of the poster. Data visualization on poster will be given more priority. So if you add the graphs, plots, etc., even if you can add some figures, that is also okay. We will give more priority on your figures. Questions will be posed by judges for 2 minutes. So there will be the judges, and the judges will ask you the question so that you will get some feedback. One soft copy with an abstract containing 200 words are to be submitted at the time of event. So earlier you have to submit one abstract with 200 words. The winners are decided on the basis of above criteria by the judges. So the judge will assess your way of presentation, your way of communication, and poster contents, etc. Poster guidelines. Create your poster using a single slide. Just I have seen you So that is the single slide. Use of appropriate picture or graphs. You can insert in JPEG, BMP, etc. Pictures, diagrams, graphs, tables, and charts should be clear resolution. The aspects considered in the competition are technical content of poster presentation, skills, poster formatting, and appearance. The size of poster, PowerPoint size is 36 by 48. And there are some of the topics. Virtual poster topics: self-awakening value, fearlessness value, cleanliness value, work-family compatibility value, self-understanding value, doubtless value, free from fear of failure value, resolute value, psychometric analysis, any other Ravindric value. Registration fee is rupees 500. First prize rupees 2000 with certificate. Second prize rupees 1500 with certificate. Third prize rupees 1000 with certificate. Important dates. Registration starts 4th May, 2024. Registration ends 7th July. So after 7th July, this poster competition will be held online. Requirement: anyone can participate. Okay, that's good. So do you have any question about anything? QR code for the registration, that is also there. One can join by clicking this QR code, and you will get the feedback, because we will invite some of the professors, so they will enlighten you about how to design the poster, how to get, and what are your limitations, how you can improve your poster. Even they will present their own thoughts. So we will invite some of the professors to our institute. Everything will be online. And if we find that it is very much successful, then we will think about the poster presentation in offline situation. So initially we are thinking about the online. After that, we will think about the offline. So if you have any question, you can ask me. Is it clear to all of you? The rules, poster guidelines.
স্যার বুঝতে পারিনি, একটু বুঝিয়ে দেবেন?
কোনটা বলো?
মানে পোস্টারের ব্যাপারটা প্রথম থেকে মানে প্রথমটা একটু আমার মিস হয়ে গেছে। পোস্টার মানে আমরা যেরকম ই পোস্টার ব্যাপারটা আমাকে একটুখানি প্লিজ বুঝিয়ে দিন।
ই পোস্টার মানে একটা সিঙ্গেল স্লাইড। যেমন ইন কেস অফ দ্য পাওয়ার পয়েন্ট, যেরকম তুমি অনেকগুলো স্লাইড পাচ্ছ, সেইগুলো সবটাই থাকছে একটা ল্যান্ডস্কেপে, এবং তার মধ্যে সমস্ত স্লাইডস গুলোই সেখানে থাকছে। তো ওই যে ছবিটা দেখালো তখন তখন ছিলে?
হ্যাঁ সেটা দেখেছি, হ্যাঁ ছবিটা দেখেছি।
হ্যাঁ, ওটাই তো তোমার ভার্চুয়াল পোস্টার।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, বুঝতে পেরেছি।
এবং
স্যার
এটা
আমাদের তো যে কোনো কনফারেন্সে গেলে আমরা এরকম ই পোস্টার তো প্রচুর, ই পোস্টার ঠিক না, ওই পোস্টারটা যেরকম থাকে মানে একটার মধ্যে সমস্তটা ডিসপ্লে করা থাকে, সেটাই কি এখানে ভার্চুয়ালি অনলাইনে যেহেতু দেখা হবে সেই জন্য ই পোস্টার, তাই তো?
এই জন্য বলা হচ্ছে ভার্চুয়াল, হ্যাঁ ওই জন্যই বলা হচ্ছে ভার্চুয়াল পোস্টার।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, বুঝতে পেরেছি।
Nowadays poster is used for the multimedia also. In some international conference you will find that is the poster is linked with some multimedia. So I do not want that type of poster, because that will be very costly. So, but if you are interested, you can show. Since it is a poster competition, so that will help you.
Sir, I have a question. It will be on virtual mode or physical mode?
Virtual mode,
Okay.
online.
And when will be
It
conducted?
will be in July,
July. Okay,
after
sir.
7th July.
Okay. Okay.
Registration ends 7th July. Depending on the availability of the professors. So this is the first, second, third prize, and students who have not received any rank, they will get the participation certificate. So Farah, you can write it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a small doubt, sir.
Yes, definitely.
Sir, what is the benefit of presenting a paper, I mean poster presentation? Sir, would it be counted as a paper presentation or how it would be considered, sir?
Yeah, definitely. It
So
is considered in your biodata.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you
Okay,
have
so
presented your poster.
okay, sir. So there is no difference between presenting a poster paper and a normal paper, sir?
No, paper
Sir,
presentation and the poster presentation.
so can I say something?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Sangeeta. So the difference is that on poster here also we mentioned data visualization on poster will be given more priority. And when you present a paper, there will be more words, right?
Yeah,
Infographics are,
okay.
so that is why we give in on posters we give more priority to data visualization.
No, my major concern is like we have some criteria, like if in case we are doing PhD, we have to minimum do 3 to 4 paper presentations. So for that, will this poster presentation would be considered as one of the paper presentation?
So in conferences they usually mention poster competition also. So there
Okay.
and they give you amount also. And in India also it happens.
No, so if in case I'm going to take part in this competition, would I be able to represent it as a paper or like it is just a competition?
It is a paper presentation, but in the format of poster.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yeah. Thank you,
It
sir.
is paper presentation, but
Okay,
in the
sir.
format of poster. That
Okay,
is the
sir.
main thing. Because in the conference, if you
Yeah.
write down that is okay, this is my abstract. So they will tell you that is whether you are interested to present it in oral presentation or poster presentation. So if you suggest, okay, I will present in oral presentation, then oral presentation. Otherwise, it will be considered as the poster presentation. So this is the
Okay, sir.
format.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Another thing, it is a competition. Since it is a competition, so there will be more weightage. More weightage is there because it is a competition.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So whether the guidelines, rules, and other things is clear or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in the Google Classroom, you will find the rules of poster presentation. Farah, can you share?
Yes, sir. Google Classroom. Sure.
During the Viva, if you are interested, you can present poster. That is better. Yeah, so creating a virtual poster using PowerPoint follows similar principles to designing a traditional poster, but with some considerations specific to the digital format. Here are some of the rules and guidelines for constructing a virtual poster using PowerPoint. Set the slide size to standard poster size, such as 36 by 48 inches or 42 by 56 inches, to ensure it fits well on most screens. Use landscape orientation for better visibility on screens. Divide the poster into sections. For example, introduction, method, results, conclusion. For easy navigation, use a clear hierarchy with headings, subheadings, and bullet points to organize content. Okay. Keep the layout clean and uncluttered to maintain readability. Here you can find out some difference between the poster and the oral paper presentation. In the oral paper presentation, you will can add more text, but here text is less. It will be clean and uncluttered to maintain readability. Use high resolution images, graphics, and charts to illustrate key points. Ensure that visuals are relevant, clear, and easy to interpret. The consistent formatting for text and graphics throughout the poster. Choose legible fonts such as Arial or Calibri or Helvetica. Use a large font size, at least 24 to 36 points, for titles and headings to ensure readability. Maintain a good contrast between text and background colors for better visibility. Present key information concisely and avoid overcrowding slides with excessive text. Use bullet points or brief sentences to convey main points. Include references or as needed, but keep them minimal and unobtrusive. consider adding interactive elements such as hyperlink buttons or clickable images to engage viewers. So this is the international standard where you can use the multimedia or you can use the hyperlink. So this is the international standard. If you want to present your paper in the international forum, then you can follow this model. Use slide transitions and animations sparingly to enhance the presentation without distracting from the content. So this is not the static poster. If you are interested, you can present some animation also. Animation is possible through the poster. So that is the international standard. If you want to present, that is better. Ensure that the poster is accessible to all viewers, including those with visual or hearing impairments. Use descriptive alt text for images and graphics. Check for color blindness friendly color schemes and avoid relying solely on color to convey information. Save the PowerPoint file as a PDF or image format, JPEG or PNG for easy sharing and viewing. Provide clear instructions for navigating the poster, including how to zoom in on specific sections. By following these rules and guidelines, you can create a visually appealing and effective virtual poster presentation using PowerPoint. In some international conference, I have seen that is just one display unit is there, and one is using the display unit to see the poster. So that is also possible, because in online, everything is possible. You can present the audio visual mode, you can present the movement of the figure. That is also possible through the virtual poster mode. That is not possible in case of the standalone poster, usually in offline mode. Is it clear? Because my intention is to develop advanced research skills within you, so that in future you will be able to compete with the international speakers.
Sir, is that possible to share the demo presentation which is shown first?
Yeah, that is which one? This picture?
Yes, sir. Where the paper are present.
That you can take screenshot, no problem. Farah, can you share again?
Yes, sir. Or sir, can I send this to them if you allow?
স্যার পাঠালেই ভালো হয়, কারণ স্ক্রিনশট নিলে না জিনিসটা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না ভালো করে।
তো পাঠিয়ে দাও ওদের।
I mean, sir, can I share with them so that
Yeah,
they
you
can
can
edit?
share.
They can edit in their PowerPoint. Yes, sir. So here you can
In
write.
the Indian Science Congress, I have seen Abdul Kalam's poster.
Yes, sir.
And there I have seen how the rocket is moving. So he just clicked and we observe that his rocket is moving. So now people are thinking about the dynamic poster. So that is possible through the online system. Therefore, virtual poster is nowadays widely accepted. I want to encourage you to learn this type of multimedia based poster. That will be very much attractive.
স্যার দিস এই পোস্টার গুলো কি সবই রিসার্চ বেস, মানে রিসার্চের, মানে যে কোনো একটা স্টাডির
হ্যাঁ, রিসার্চ
আউটকাম,
টপিক নিয়ে, হ্যাঁ
মানে স্টাডির আউটকাম, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ, একাডেমিক
ওটা মানে
পোস্টার।
একাডেমিক পোস্টার, ঠিক আছে, বুঝতে পেরেছি স্যার। তার মানে আমাদের যে প্রিভিয়াস স্টাডি গুলো হয়ে গেছে সেটাকে আমরা এরকম ভাবে আমরা ডিসপ্লে করে আমরা এরকম সাবমিট করতে পারি।
করতেই পারো।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, না আমি গত কয়েকটা ইয়েতে গেলাম, কনফারেন্সে গেলাম, সেগুলো সবই এরকমই ছিল, অনেক বাইরের লাগানো। তো ওটাকে আমরা তো মানে ভেবেছি রিসার্চেরই প্রেজেন্টেশন, কিন্তু ওটাকে ই পোস্টার মানে ওটা পোস্টার বলছে আর কি।
পোস্টার পোস্টার।
ওকে।
Virtual poster has because in virtual poster you can link it to the YouTube. Or if you have any movement file or JPEG file, that you can add it. Virtual poster very much innovative. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is used for designing the virtual poster.
And sir, it's easy to read also.
Yeah. But keep in mind that is your content that should be very clear. And there will be no confusion. হ্যাঁ বলুন। হ্যালো।
Hello students, this is just a sample of one poster. You can see how they have described everything in this poster.
Hello? Hello, is there any question?
No, sir.
No other question. Okay. Acha, now I like to share another one, that is how to use the syntax. In the last class, I have told you that is please use syntax. So, Farah, can you share the Google Classroom?
Yes, sir.
Dear students, please you go to the Google Classroom. Ashima Patro, it is clear to you? Ashima?
No, sir. I have to read it. Actually, I didn't check it. I have to, after reading, I can.
Okay. This is the SPSS syntax. Introduction to SPSS syntax. SPSS syntax is a powerful tool for automating analysis and ensuring reproducibility in statistical projects. Instead of relying solely on the graphical user interface, users can leverage syntax to execute commands in a more efficient and replicable manner. Here are the key rules to keep in mind when working with SPSS syntax. Structure of SPSS syntax is that SPSS syntax follows a straightforward structure. Syntax, copy code. Okay. When you do any sort of analysis in SPSS, you will get the codes and your function is to copy the code. And after that, you can use the asterisk mark for the comment lines. Comment lines start with an asterisk and then ignored by SPSS. So that is the advantage, because if you think that is you have some of the plans to execute some analysis, and what are your actual research questions, that you can write down as the comment line, okay, by using the asterisk mark. Commands are written in uppercase or lowercase. So that is the advantage are there. You can use the lowercase or uppercase. It is not the case sensitive. Periods, that means the full stop, are used to terminate the commands. Blocks of syntax can be separated by a blank line. For example, suppose you want to assess the descriptive statistics. So before writing the descriptives, there will be no alphanumeric character. It will be the blank. If it is blank, then species can understand that this is the block that you want to do. For example, the descriptives, after that variables equal to age, gender, income. So descriptives is the block. And in that block, first function to select the variables, that is the variables equal to age, gender, and income. Keep in mind that there is no comma. There will be only the space. And then statistics, mean and standard deviation. Suppose you want to get only the mean and standard deviation, you can write down mean and standard deviation. Okay. Next is the defining variables. When defining variables in a special syntax, use the variables command followed by the variable names. So just I have shown you the variables, and before the variables there is a slash. And there is some missing value. And if you think that is in your data set, there is some missing value, and missing value is indicated by particular value. For example, we are using the 9, because if it is a 5-point rating scale, we can use the 9 as the missing value. So we can write down the var1. var1 means variable, and value 1, that is the 9. So in this manner, you can write down the missing value. Second one is the data transformation. Data transformation, that is the decode. Okay. And compute or if syntax, that is possible by using the syntax. For example, decode var1. So 1 equal to 5. 2 equal to 6, 3 equal to 7, 4 equal to 8 into new var. New var means new variable. Compute new var equal to var1 plus var2. var1 means variable 1 plus var2 means variable 2. And if you are interested for any specific type of analysis, then you can use this if condition new var equal to 1. So this is the syntax mode. Next one is the data analysis. Conduct statistical analysis using commands like descriptives, regression, t-test, etc. Descriptives under variables var1, var2, var3. Then statistics, mean and standard deviation. Another block, that is the regression. So in that block, dependent variable is the outcome. Method will be enter predictor 1, predictor 2. So it depends upon your own choice. After that, another block, that is the t-test groups, group 1 and group 2. Group 1, 1 and 2, group 2 only 3 and 4. Variables equal to var1. Second one is the output management. Control output using command like output or OMS. Syntax, you can write down output export equal to outfile.sav. Keep in mind that is the output. The extension is sav.sav. Okay. So in this manner, you will find some of the rules for writing the syntax. And if you follow the syntax, then it will be very easy for you to comprehend what are your key objectives for the specific analysis. And if you forget the analysis part, there will be no problem because syntax is with you. And if your data, original data, if there is no change, then it will be easy for you to do all sorts of analysis. In the last class, I have told you that is you can use the syntax for your own analysis. So these are the some of the rules for syntax. So mastering syntax empowers users to efficiently execute complex analysis, automate repetitive tasks, and ensure the reproducibility of their research. By adhering to these rules and best practices, SPSS users can harness the full potential of syntax for their statistical projects. So whenever you have some plan to conduct the project, okay, then you can use the syntax. If you think that is you want to do one analysis repeatedly, then you can directly copy the syntax repeatedly and you will change only the variable name. So that is the best practice for the syntax. Okay. Do you have any question about the syntax issue? Okay, so I think everybody has understood the purpose of syntax. And please join the Google Classroom because I will assign some of the questions there, and please you write the answer. Okay. Shangita, it is clear?
Yes, sir, it is, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Mona Lisa, clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
So you can do lot of analysis
Yes, sir.
by using the syntax.
Yes.
Shivani, clear this thing?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now you want to close the session. Best wishes to all of you.